Hi everybody, it's Tina for Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with my swap in from Jay for the hashtag Year of Julie Netting tag. And look at this, how she has this wrapped. This is wallpaper, or not wallpaper, that sticky stuff you can put in drawers. And then she has these little stickers on there. So I took my time to open this so I can save those. And I want to salvage some of this too. So, and it's in the box. And I'm just going to pull it out just as possible. And I don't know if she has a YouTube channel. And if she does, I will put it in the description box. Ooh. And I'll have to let her know it came because it was a miscommunications a little bit. I was worried. Okay. It didn't show up in my informed delivery. I didn't know when it was coming. Yeah, it never showed up, which was weird. So something's up at the post office. Okay. Wow, she's really got this tape. Okay. I'm just going to snip off this right here. It's sticking. I can't get it. So I'll just snip them. Okay. I think I'm in. Maybe not. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Nothing's in the bag. Okay. Oh, wow. Look at this tag. Oh, love this. Look at the carriage on top. The horse. Just these little puffy or foamy. This is Love Bug. EXO. Sweetheart. But look how she layered this. I've never done one with like this. I might have to try that. So pretty. She's got these like fuzzy foam, felt doilies in the background. But look at that girl. Oh my God. Just beautiful. Look at, you can see. She's got, oh my. Wow. Little bow in her hair. Love the background. I just love it, guys. There's no words to describe. Look at the tassel. Oh my sweet. This is gorgeous. And you were invited to the Royal Valentine Ball, Thursday, February 14th, 9 p.m. The Summer Palace. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. She's got the little carriage. Like, let's party. You are invited to the Royal Valentine's Ball, Thursday, February 14th. At 9 p.m. at Summer Palace. That is so cute. Then down here it says the Year of Julie Netting tag made for you by J Barley, YouTube Tjayebirds Journey. Okay, I will make sure I go find her and I will put her channel in the description box. That is so creative. I love how she did that. That is so cool. That's awesome. Guys, look at that tag. All the layers of lace. And she's got, I don't know if she went all the way around or how she did this, but this is so cool because she's got like one little layer that are cut to make it look. And then upon layer upon layer. This is so pretty, Jay. Oh my God, I like how she got bling going around the horse's little neck on the carriage as well. That's a cool die. This little dot. Both these are cool dies. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. I can't get over it. I love doing this swap. I've received some beautiful tags, and I'm trying to come up with a solution because I have them hanging from my handles on my cupboards. And I always have to take them off every time I go in the cupboard. So I'm trying to figure out how I can display them somehow other than hanging them on my cupboards. And then there's a little goodie bag which we don't have to do, but we do it anyways. That's us crafters. That's how we are. Ooh. Sent me a Ganova. Ooh, milk chocolate caramel. Oh my god, caramel's one of my favorite candy bars. Anything with caramel in. Thank you. And, oh wow, look at this. How pretty that is. I'm trying to read it. I can't. Okay. The one more will never. I'll have to have diamond. Sometimes I can't read things because of how it's printed and the glare with my eyes. This dress can be season something. It's cute. But look at that. It says hello. She's got this die. It's like a doily, kind of like a doily die. And she's got crepe paper. She's got a heart, some bling, some flowers. Look how pretty that is. There's another heart there. It says hello in the center and this pretty flower. It kind of looks like a shape of a butterfly in the background. I could be wrong. And she has hello. But look how gorgeous that is. Man, these are so pretty. I am going to add a little note so I know who made this. I always, if I receive something, I always write if they didn't like put their name on it. So then, because I keep everything, and when I can look back, I'll know who it is from. But this is gorgeous. I love this. Like I said, I am thoroughly enjoying doing this. Julie Nunn takes up. I got my March is done already, and it's sitting right here. This is for March. That will be my March one. I like that we can make them big. Now let's put a poem. I think everyone I've made so far, I've found a poem for that theme. So, thank you, Jay. And I will, like I said, we'll have Tjayebirds Journey channel linked in the description box below. I love how you are invited to the Royal Valentine Ball, Thursday, February 14th, 9 p.m. at the Summer Palace. Can you imagine getting an invitation like this? I have to admit, I've got a wedding invitation that came in a little treasure chest. They were hand delivered. They paid somebody. It was a small wedding, not too many people. Let's say maybe 60 and less. But our invitations came in a little sunken treasure chest. And when you opened the treasure chest, you got it in a box. And then when you opened it, because I was like, what is this box? Because it came in, it was delivered by a local delivery service. That's all I remember. Because I had to ring for it, sign for it. And it was in this box, and I had no idea what it was. But when you open this little cardboard box, it was a treasure chest. And then when you open the treasure chest, it had little bling, like gold little coins, and a little roll of paper. And when you unrolled it, it was the person's invitation to their wedding. And I thought that was the coolest thing. That was years ago. Years. I wish I'd have hung on to it now. I think back, man. I mean, I remember hanging on to it, but you're talking, man, I don't even think Diamond was maybe 2 years old and she's 28. So, yeah. But, Jay, this is beautiful. I love how you did her. I just love the lace layers. May have to try that. I usually do mine like paper dolls. I always, never thought. I mean, I've added a little lace around the end of the skirt, but I never totally did a whole dress. So that's beautiful. So, like I said, I will have Jay's channel, Tjayebirds Journey, in the description box below. And I'm going to go over and sub to her as well. I'm going to let her know I got this because I was worried. And she kind of, because, when you send something out in the mail and your workmanship's in it, and you don't know where it is, it's kind of in between. And I misunderstood when she said she sent it out. So I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody. And thank you again, Jay. Love it. I'm going to really enjoy the chocolate, too. Bye.